初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
我需要看医生。
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Can I make an appointment?
Can I make an appointment?
我可以预约吗？
Can I make an appointment?
Can I make an appointment?
Is there a clinic nearby?
Is there a clinic nearby?
附近有诊所吗？
Is there a clinic nearby?
Is there a clinic nearby?
What time can I come in?
What time can I come in?
我什么时候可以来？
What time can I come in?
What time can I come in?
I have health insurance.
I have health insurance.
我有医疗保险。
I have health insurance.
I have health insurance.
Here is my health card.
Here's my health card.
这是我的医保卡。
Here is my health card.
Here's my health card.
I need to see a dentist.
I need to see a dentist.
我需要看牙医。
I need to see a dentist.
I need to see a dentist.
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
要等多久？
How long is the wait?
How long is the wait?
I'm a new patient here.
I'm a new patient here.
我是新来的病人。
I'm a new patient here.
I'm a new patient here.
My name is on the list.
My name is on the list.
名单上有我的名字。
My name is on the list.
My name is on the list.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
我感觉不舒服。
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
我喉咙痛。
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
My head really hurts.
My head really hurts.
我头很痛。
My head really hurts.
My head really hurts.
I'm coughing a lot.
I'm coughing a lot.
我咳嗽得很厉害。
I'm coughing a lot.
I'm coughing a lot.
I feel very dizzy today.
I feel very dizzy today.
我今天感觉很晕。
I feel very dizzy today.
I feel very dizzy today.
I have a fever and chills.
I have a fever and chills.
我发烧还发冷。
I have a fever and chills.
I have a fever and chills.
My stomach feels upset.
My stomach feels upset.
我胃不舒服。
My stomach feels upset.
My stomach feels upset.
I've been vomiting all night.
I've been vomiting all night.
我整晚都在呕吐。
I've been vomiting all night.
I've been vomiting all night.
I think I caught a cold.
I think I caught a cold.
我想我感冒了。
I think I caught a cold.
I think I caught a cold.
It hurts when I breathe.
It hurts when I breathe.
我呼吸时会痛。
It hurts when I breathe.
It hurts when I breathe.
How long have you felt this?
How long have you felt this?
你这样多久了？
How long have you felt this?
How long have you felt this?
Let me check your temperature.
Let me check your temperature.
让我量一下你的体温。
Let me check your temperature.
Let me check your temperature.
Please open your mouth.
Please open your mouth.
请张开嘴。
Please open your mouth.
Please open your mouth.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Breathe in, breathe out.
吸气，呼气。
Breathe in, breathe out.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Does this hurt here?
Does this hurt here?
这里疼吗？
Does this hurt here?
Does this hurt here?
You need some rest.
You need some rest.
你需要休息。
You need some rest.
You need some rest.
I'll prescribe you something.
I'll prescribe you something.
我会给你开点药。
I'll prescribe you something.
I'll prescribe you something.
Please drink more water.
Please drink more water.
请多喝水。
Please drink more water.
Please drink more water.
You don't need antibiotics.
You don't need antibiotics.
你不需要抗生素。
You don't need antibiotics.
You don't need antibiotics.
Come back next week.
Come back next week.
下周再来。
Come back next week.
Come back next week.
Where is the pharmacy?
Where is the pharmacy?
药房在哪里？
Where is the pharmacy?
Where is the pharmacy?
I need to fill a prescription.
I need to fill a prescription.
我需要配药。
I need to fill a prescription.
I need to fill a prescription.
Can I get cold medicine?
Can I get cold medicine?
我可以买感冒药吗？
Can I get cold medicine?
Can I get cold medicine?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
你有什么推荐？
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Is this safe for kids?
Is this safe for kids?
这个对孩子安全吗？
Is this safe for kids?
Is this safe for kids?
Take this twice a day.
Take this twice a day.
这个一天吃2次。
Take this twice a day.
Take this twice a day.
With food or after meals?
With food or after meals?
随餐还是饭后？
With food or after meals?
With food or after meals?
Do not take on an empty stomach.
Do not take on an empty stomach.
不要空腹服用。
Do not take on an empty stomach.
Do not take on an empty stomach.
I need something for pain.
I need something for pain.
我需要止痛药。
I need something for pain.
I need something for pain.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Thank you. I feel better now.
谢谢，我现在感觉好多了。
Thank you. I feel better now.
Thank you. I feel better now.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。